Now let's discuss data analysis. Please take a moment to read the learning objectives for this video. Companies around the world are generating vast volumes of data every year. This data could be in the form of the log files, web server and transactional data, as well as various customer-related data. Also, data has been generated at a rapid rate from social media websites and applications such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Companies want to use it to derive value out of it and make business decisions. That's where data analysis comes into the use. Data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusions, and supporting decision making. The purpose of data analysis is to extract useful information from data and taking the decision based upon it. It improves the speed and efficiency of the business. A few years ago, a business would have gathered information manually, performed statistical and complex analysis that could be used for future decisions. But today, that business can identify insights on the fly for immediate decisions. Most organizations have big data and many understand they can harness that data and extract value of it. So they use lots of modern tools and technologies to perform data analysis. Data analysis and data science are closely related. Data analysis is a component of data science used to understand what an organization's data look like. Generally, the output of data analysis are reports and visualizations. Data science takes the output of analysis to study and solve problems. The difference between data analysis and data science is often seen as one of time scale. Data analysis describes the current or historical state of reality, whereas data science uses the data to predict and to understand the future. Now that we've looked at what data analysis really is, let us understand the ways in which we can use data analysis and its benefits. First, improved decision making. Data analysis eliminates lots of guesswork and manual tasks from choosing the right content, planning marketing campaigns, and developing products. Organizations can use insights from data analysis to make informed decisions, leading to better outcomes and customer satisfaction. It helps to understand customers to better meet their needs. Plus, with the modern data analysis technology, you can continuously collect and analyze new data to update your understanding as continuous change. Second is better customer service. Data analysis provides you with more accurate insights of your customers, allowing to tailor the customer service to their needs, provide more personalization, and build stronger relationships with them. Your data can show customer preferences, their interests, their concerns, and more. It helps to give better recommendations for products and services. Next is more efficient operations. Data analysis can help to streamline processes, save money, and boost production. When you have an improved understanding of what an audience wants, you waste less time in creating ads and content that doesn't match your audience interests. This helps to optimize campaigns and create better content strategies. Finally, we have effective marketing. When you understand your audience better, you can market to them more effectively. Data analysis gives useful insights into how your campaigns are performing. You can use this information to adjust your targeting criteria. Let's discuss steps involved in data analysis. As you can see from the screen, there are 5 steps. Let me explain each one of them one by one. The first step is to understand the problem. Before starting the analysis, you need to understand the problems and define the rules. Asking questions is vital because it addresses the issues such as how can we reduce production cost without sacrificing the quality? What are the ways to increase sale opportunities with current resources? Answers to these questions will help to build a clear roadmap with lucrative solutions. By recognizing the business problem that you want to solve and setting up well-defined goals, it will be way easier to decide on the data you need. This brings us to the next step, data collection. Now that you have a solid idea of your questions, it's time to define what data you need to find those answers. As a starting point, you will want to determine if the data is readily available within an organization, like within employee survey results or annual performance reviews in the HR case. You have collected and combined data from multiple sources. Great, but it's not yet time to roll up your sleeves and dive into it. That's because raw data is seldom usable in its current form. You'll often find flaws within it like incomplete, duplicate, and missing values. While seemingly minor, even the tiniest inaccuracies can skew your results. Here, you'll spend some time polishing the data to ensure its accuracy. This process, called data cleaning, consists of amending or removing incorrect or superfluous data, as well as checking for incompleteness and inconsistencies. For instance, you might clean spaces in front of letters or symbols or remove duplicates. This step is vital because ultimately the accuracy of the analysis will depend on the quality of data. The fourth step is data exploration and analysis. Once data is clean and ready, you can go ahead and explore the data using data visualization and business intelligence tools. Using the techniques and methods of data analysis, you will look for hidden patterns in relationships and find insights and predictions. The final step is to interpret the results. This part is important because it's how a business will gain an actual value from the previous four steps. Interpreting the results will help to find out hidden patterns, future trends, and gain insights. You can have a validation check if the results are answering your questions. Moving on to applications of data analysis. Data analysis has been used in almost every sector of business these days. Let's discuss a few of them. First, we have retail. Customers expect retailers to understand exactly what they need and when they need it. Data analysis helps retailers meet these demands. Retailers not only have an in-depth understanding of the customers, but they can also predict trends, recommend new products, and boost profitability. The second application is healthcare. Healthcare analyzes patient data to provide life-saving diagnosis and treatment options. Using data analysis, they can discover new drugs and come up with new drug development methods. Advanced data analysis can help to improve patient outcomes and experience. The next application is manufacturing. For manufacturers, solving problems is nothing new. Using data analysis, they can discover new cost saving and revenue opportunities. They can also solve complex supply chain issues, motion applications, labor constraints, and equipment breakdowns. The fourth application is related to the banking sector. Banking and financial institutions collect vast amounts of structured and unstructured data to derive analytical insights and make financial decisions. Using data analysis, they can find out probable defaulters, detect fraud in transactions, and etc. The fifth application is logistics. Logistics companies use data analysis to develop new business models that they can ease their business and improve productivity. They can optimize routes to ensure delivery reaches on a time and cost-effective manner. They can also focus on order processing capabilities as well as performance management. Another application is smart data analysis. It deals with the enormous amount of data produced from sensor networks of smart technology projects like smart cities, smart homes, and etc. It's analyzed for pollution control, security by preventing from thefts, energy conservation, traffic maintenance, disaster management, and many more. While data analysis can provide many benefits to the companies that use it, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges related to data analysis is collecting the data. There is a lot of data that businesses could potentially collect, and they need to determine what to prioritize. Collecting data requires tools that can gather data from website visits, ad clicks, and other interactions and deliver it in a usable format. Once data is collected, we need to store it somewhere. This can take up a considerable amount of space and contain many different types of information. We have to integrate both structured and unstructured data from online and offline sources and from internal and external sources. We also need to ensure data quality so your results are accurate. In addition, data needs to be accessible and not isolated, so everyone throughout the organization has the same repository. Lastly, we need to have the knowledge and tools necessary to make sense of the data and provide insights. To sum up, data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusions, and supporting decision making. Benefits of data analysis: improved decision making, better customer service, efficient operations, and effective marketing. Steps involved in data analysis are understanding the problem, data collection, data cleaning, data exploration and analysis, and interpretation of results.